Are you new to sewing and feeling overwhelmed by all the machine options? In this video, we're breaking down the best sewing machines for beginners. We'll compare features, ease of use, and price to help you find the perfect machine to kickstart your sewing journey. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. This is an excellent beginner sewing machine built to last. Its powerful motor, 60% stronger than standard models, handles tough fabrics like denim with ease, making it ideal for projects that go beyond basic stitching. Despite its durability, the 4423 remains user-friendly with simple dials to select stitches and adjust their length. While it doesn't offer an extensive range of decorative stitches, the 23 built-in stitches are more than sufficient for most fabrics. In our review, we found it impressively fast, sewing up to 1,100 stitches per minute. While the speed is a huge advantage, it can make the machine a bit noisy. Overall, it's a great choice for beginners seeking a reliable, long-lasting sewing machine. Number 2. Singer M1000 Mending Machine. Start sewing for under $100 with this basic, budget-friendly Singer mending machine. Ideal for beginners, it's compact, lightweight, and portable, perfect for quick fixes and everyday mending tasks. While it's marketed as a mending machine, it delivers decent stitches and is easy to store when not in use. It features 4 built-in stitches, 3 needle positions, and a speed of 350 stitches per minute. However, it may not keep up if you dive deeper into sewing. The motor struggles with thicker fabrics like denim, and the inability to adjust stitch length limits versatility. So while it's a great starter option, you may need to upgrade if your sewing needs grow. Number 3. Brother CP 2160R. This computerized sewing machine is a fantastic value for under £200, offering an impressive range of features at an affordable price. I consider it a real steal for those seeking a feature-packed machine from a respected brand. Aside from its functionality, this machine is also quite stylish, featuring a clear LCD display and intuitive push buttons for easy stitch selection. With 60 built-in stitches, adjustable stitch length and width, and 7 different buttonhole options, it offers remarkable versatility for various sewing projects. The automatic needle threader makes setup quick and efficient so you can start stitching right away. Although the instructions might be a bit sparse, assuming users have some prior experience, there are plenty of online videos to assist you. Once you get familiar with it, the Brother performs excellently, making it an ideal choice for beginners and intermediate sewers alike. Number 4. Singer 5560. This is an excellent choice for beginners who want a computerized sewing machine that can grow with them as their skills develop. With an impressive 203 built-in stitches and a removable wide extension table, this machine is particularly suitable for those who may want to venture into more advanced projects like quilting. While the extensive range of stitches might seem overwhelming at first for beginners, the small LCD display simplifies the process by clearly showing the selected stitch, helping users get accustomed to its features. This makes the Singer 5560 a versatile machine that can support a beginner through to more advanced stages of their sewing journey, offering both ease of use and room to grow in terms of skill and project complexity. So, which sewing machine is the best for beginners? After careful consideration, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 takes the top spot. Its durability, versatility, and beginner-friendly features make it an excellent choice for starting your sewing adventures.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.